We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with a glow of its goodness. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. In a world full of challenges and opportunities, sometimes all we need is a spark to ignite our potential. Welcome to a journey through Wings of Fire, where the wisdom of Abdul Kalam illuminates our path with 8 life-changing lessons. Abdul Kalam was not just a scientist or a president. He was a beacon of hope, known as People's President and the Missile Man of India. His legacy continues to inspire generations with his humility, integrity, and vision. He was a stellar example of resilience, determination, and dedication. Inside the pages of Wings of Fire lies a treasure trove of his personal struggles and triumphs. This book is not just a story, it's a journey of courage, unwavering determination, and inspiration for anyone looking to unleash their full potential to achieve their dreams. Kalam words are like a guiding light, motivating readers to strive for greatness and never give up, no matter the obstacles they face. The 8 life-changing lessons we can learn from Kalam's life and this book are following. First one is dream big. Dreams are not just fantasies, they are blueprints of our future. As it is said by Abdul Kalam, dreams are not those which come while we are sleeping, but dreams are those when you don't sleep before fulfilling them. His words echo the sentiment that big dreams require relentless pursuit and unwavering dedication. Abdul Kalam dreamt big for India, and his dreams powered his actions to transform visions into reality. Second one is embrace learning. Education is not confined to classrooms, it's a lifelong adventure. Abdul Kalam said, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Kalam's thirst for knowledge and his belief in continuous learning paved his path to greatness. Third one is work with integrity. Integrity is the core of every successful journey. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity, stated Abdul Kalam. Kalam's unwavering honesty and ethical principles set him apart as a true leader of integrity. Fourth one is stay grounded and humble. In a world full of achievements, humility shines the brightest. Keep yourself silent and humble, said by Abdul Kalam. No matter how successful one becomes, it is important to stay grounded and humble. Kalam's humility was not a sign of weakness, but a mark of true greatness. Fifth one is follow your passion. Passion is not a hobby, it's a calling. If you want to leave your footprints on the sands of time, do not drag your feet. Advised by Abdul Kalam. Kalam's passion for science and education propelled him to heights he had once only dreamed of. Sixth one is leave a legacy. The measure of a life well lived lies in the legacy we leave behind. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow, emphasized Abdul Kalam. His profound words remind us that our actions today pave the way for a brighter future, leaving a legacy of hope and progress for the generations to come. Let Kalam's life remind us that our footprints in the sands of time should echo our values and aspirations. Seventh one is be a leader. Leadership is not about titles, it's about inspiring change. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents, stated Abdul Kalam. Kalam's leadership was a blend of vision, empathy, and the ability to ignite the flames of ambition in others. And the last one is be resilient in the face of adversity. Obstacles are not roadblocks, they are detours to success. Abdul Kalam once said, "You have to dream before your dreams can come true." These words underline the essence of perseverance, where dreams, no matter how big, are the catalyst that transform obstacles into stepping stones. Wings of Fire teaches us to stay strong and resilient in the face of adversity. Let's soar high on the wings of our fire. In conclusion, Abdul Kalam's Wings of Fire is a timeless masterpiece that continues to inspire and ignite the potential of millions around the world. By embracing the 8 life-changing lessons from this book, you too can unleash your full potential, achieve your dreams, and make a lasting impact on the world. And remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you for watching and remember to stay inspired. Until next time, keep igniting your potential. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.